So we thought we'd make available our recent FME AI Skill Booster series. Um, as part of this, I'll give you a little bit of an introduction, and then each of the examples that we use as part of the Skill Booster training will break up into separate videos. And most of those will be run by Siobhan because she's put some absolutely awesome workspaces together. But to set us off, there is a little Git book that we will share, or probably be in the comments next to this video, and you can kind of run through at your own time. But in summary, let me just kind of run through a few of these for you. One of the things that is probably worth making you aware of is that we are a safe software partner. Avinion Tensing is a value-added reseller for safe software FME. We offer a range of licenses and professional services, but also on top of that, I guess the fun stuff is the training and the coaching, of which our Skill Booster is a nice little kind of example warm-up of those types of services that we provide. A little bit about this kind of training manual. It's all kind of open examples. We've generated a whole range of workspaces. Now, when we run this Skill Booster live, we do it inside an environment called Strigo, which enables you to play around actually with the workspaces. And in the case of the AI Skill Booster, we've embedded into those workspaces all of the API keys for OpenAI and Gemini and so forth, which means that you can actually test out the whole thing. Unfortunately, we can't provide our API keys within the dummy workspaces that we provide, but they are quite easy to access, and I'll explain in another video how you can go about getting access to API keys. But still, we think you're going to get a lot of value from having a look at some of the workspaces that we offer here. Just to kind of move forward a little bit, we don't need that. If you're not familiar with FME, there's a whole range of different details about FME and the platform, and the different logos representing FME Form, Flow, and the new since 2025.1 FME Realize. Definitely worth having a look at all of the components. Again, if you want a free trial of FME, then feel free to get in touch with us. We can cut you a trial license, no problem at all. Right. With regards to the data sources we've used Mapillary, which is a kind of open source Google Street View equivalent. We've also found some random images from the New Zealand Birds Online website. And now let me kind of jump very quickly to give you a bit of an overview of FME and AI. So FME over the last few years has been really flexible in the way that it has adopted and integrated with different AI services. So the whole benefit of that is that you can effectively, within one space, one workspace, utilize multiple different AI models from multiple different providers to produce a really neat data workflow. And that's really, I think, one of the true powers of FME. For applying all of the kind of typical things that we're all familiar that AI can do, so this whole area of text generation, translation, summarization, but also maybe things that you're not so aware of, multimodal applications, the use of audio, video, and images as well. And what FME really becomes is a fantastic orchestration tool to run through all of these different tools and services to generate some really awesome outputs from data. So we're going to give you some really nice examples in the following videos, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you do have a chance to join us for a live FME Skill Booster event in future, then you'll definitely have the ability to kind of play around with the FME directly in your own virtual environment. But we hope you give this some really, we hope this gives you some really nice inspiration. Great. Over to the first video about FME Form AI Assist.